कर देंगे।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, मैं सिर्फ आमना।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. So today we are going to start.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
Sir, today you will do new join chapter 8.
Yes, I told you about different types of. I told you different types of parts of a plant.
Yes sir, I am audible.
Yes, there are different parts of a plant. Yes, yes, correct. Leaves, God, flowers. Yes, very good.
Hard work can say this.
Yes, class. Okay, open page number 140. Okay, everyone open page number 140.
Today's topic. Today's topic is how does a plant get water and its nourishment?
So you have to see this is written here, laws of exponent. Okay, is it clear?
Sir, what is this?
Beta, what you have to do today? You have to do laws of exponent. Open page number 140. Okay. Is it
Sir,
clear?
114.
140. 140.
Okay sir.
Okay.
क्या है, मैं कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ ना. दो वहां करो करो. फिर से करो. फिर से करो.
Beta, mute everyone.
सर पेज नंबर.
It is written here 140. Okay, laws of exponent. Okay, so what is the first law? There are certain laws in it, laws of exponent. So listen to me carefully. That first law is law multiplying powers with the base, same base. Okay. Multiplying powers with same base. What is this? Basically, this is how to do this. See, whatever number has been, okay, whatever you are having a number, let's for example say that, yes, close your camera, Amina. Okay, example is 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, close it beta. So this part is called as your power, and this is called base. Okay, So is it clear to you? Take another number, 5 raised to the power 5. Here also you can see this is your power and this is your base. Now, according to the first law of exponent, that is multiplying power with the same base, what it says that if two numbers are there, for example, let's say you have two numbers, that is 3 raised to the power 4 and multiplied by 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, so you can see here that in first case base is 3 and power is 4. Here power is 5 and base is 3. Okay, so that here we are seeing that base are same in both in both the numbers. Base is same. Okay, and power is different. So see how to solve it, how we solve such questions where powers are different and base are same. For that we are just doing the using formula that we just add the power. Okay, base is same. Okay, we just add the power 4 plus 5. So it is your 3 raised to the power 9. Okay, so this is your answer. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, if you are having any problem, you can raise your hand. Yes, you can ask me. Just raise your hand if you are having problem in that. Yes, I am Zubair. Everyone can talk now. Yes. Amina?
Yes, sir, I understood. Alhamdulillah.
Yes, anyone else is unable to understand it? Please let me know.
Sir, I also.
Okay.
Sir, I.
Okay. So take another example. Okay. Okay, take another example. I'm telling you. Example. According to formula, you can say like this: if A is having a power m and another number A power n, okay, then it is equals to A raised to the power m plus n. Okay, use this way. Another one is, for example, 5 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 8 into 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so how we'll write the solution? We see powers are same, bases are same, so we just add the powers. 4 plus 8 plus 3. So it will be 12. Okay, it's 15. Okay, 5 raised to the power 15. So this way you can do it. Okay. And what's the second law says?
Okay, sir.
Okay, what the second law says? Second law says is for division. Okay. Division power with same base. Dividing parts with same base. Yes, Fatima Zora. Close your camera. Yes, close your camera, Fatima Zora. Yes, Fatima Zora, close your camera. Fatima Zora, close your
Atma,
camera.
close your camera.
Just close your camera, everyone, please. Okay, yes, dividing power, base same base. Yes, Fatima Zora, you're not listening. Okay, what we do, what is the rule? What is the formula? If A is any number having power m and A is any another number with power n. Okay, so we can do it like A raised to the power m minus n. Is it clear? Here also you
Yes,
can
sir.
here also you can see that base is same and powers
Are different.
is different. Okay, so we are taking the example. Okay, example is given here. You can say that 17 power 5 by divided by 17 power 3. So as per rule, a to the power m upon a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. Okay, so you can write this 17 and power will be 5 minus 3. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah. Very nicely.
Yes, sir.
there are one more rule. Okay. Rule 3. What it says? Taking power of a power. Okay. Taking power of a power. Okay, what does it mean? It means that if a is any number, its power is m, and the whole power is n. So you just multiply these powers. Means a m into n. You can write this way, or a mn. Okay, mn means there is a multiplication
A
sign.
into M.
A into m. Is it clear? Yes, and you start doing this exercise. Open your.
If someone was saying that he has
Okay. miscellaneous example, you can do this also. Yes,
Sir, I will send you question number 1 of exercise 8.2. Sir, please check that. Okay.
okay, so please send me. Yes, if anyone having problem these rules, please send me. Okay, raise your hands and send me your query also. Okay, so yes, try to do example number 4. Okay. Yes, I am giving you a question. Please do it. Okay, according to this. If 6 is given and its power is 2 and whole power is 3, solve it and tell me what's the answer, complete answer. Yes, anyone? Yes.
Sir, in which type of rule we have to do? Rule number 1 or rule number 2
Rule
or
number
3?
3. Rule number 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, anyone? It is very easy. Just multiply. Okay. As you are seeing here, you have to just multiply it. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3. Okay, 6 raised to the power 6. You can do it like this. If suppose that if such type of question is given to you, that you have to simplify it. Okay, means 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2 and it will be raised to the power 3. Simplify it. Okay, when you have this is said simplify it means you have to tell the answer also. Okay, means on simplification what you will get. So you can do like this also. 1 upon 3. So 2 into 3 and it will be 1 upon 3 whole power 6. Okay, and if you want to find the value, you can find it also. 1 upon 3 to 6 times. And solve it.
Sir, I've submitted.
Okay, I will see it. This is your 9.
Sir, I also.
This is your 9 and this is your 9. Okay, so 9 into 9 is 81. 81 into 9 is 729. So on solving, you will get 729. Okay, I will see who's has message come. Okay, 6 to power 6. Isma has come. Okay, Ayman. Okay. Okay, it's very easy. Yes, it's easy. But when questions come on combinations of all the rules, okay, then sometimes students commit mistakes. So I am giving you a question which is a combination of all the 3 rules. Okay. So you can.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir,
Sir,
please
have
show
you
miss that one question again
This one.
in slide number 5.
This is slide number 5.
Sir, give next question for solving.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
please try to solve this.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
it is not coming.
what is not coming? Screen is coming to you.
Sir, now it's coming.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's 2,
Yes, sir, now it's
3
coming.
to the power
Sir, I've done like this only.
into 2 raised to
Sir,
the
I'm
power.
sending the question. Sir, please check.
Okay, 9 into 4 to the power 2. Please try to do it. It is very one I'm just solving to you. Okay, so that you can solve the later one. Remember to do the complete steps, everyone. Okay, 7 to 9. It's 729, not 721. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see 729. Okay. So listen this one, everyone. Please see it carefully. Okay, because such in some questions you have to make the same base. Okay. So one message has come. Yes, Zikra, maybe some yes. So here you see 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5, and here 3 sorry 9 and 4. So you can write this also 3 to the power 2, because you know 3 into 3 is 9. So you can write 4 as 2 into 2. Okay, so when you write 2 into 2 like this, so again here is some power. Okay, so you write first 2 raised to the power 2, and already there is power of 2. So how you do it, how you solve it, just simplify it. Okay, you can say that the next step will be, I'm doing here. Okay, 2 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 5, and here 3 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 4. Now you can solve it. Okay. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Please solve it. And
No, sir, I'm not understanding.
Sir, me too.
okay, I am saying that this is question 2 into 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, and 2 raised to the power 5. Is it clear? Clear this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your 9. This 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay, is it clear? This 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So we can write 3 raised to the power 2. Yes.
Sir, I'm understanding 3 power 2, but I'm not understanding 2 power 4.
Okay. Okay. This 2 is written as, this part is written as 2 into 2. This will be your 4. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. Is it clear? Only this part I have written. Okay. And this part I left, power part. Okay. Because power is another separate.
क्लास नहीं करनी है.
Beta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now as per rule, we can write this thing as 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, is it clear? Now, what we do, we just simplify it. Okay, and there is also a rule, you can see it on page number 142. Okay, there is a rule also. And Beta, who is this? Listen, there is one rule. Okay, when suppose that there is a power m and there is power n, just you have to subtract it. Okay, as I told you in this slide. Okay, so we are using the same here. Okay, see, when this base is same, okay, here this, this, and this, these are the same things. So you can write, when you solve step by step, solve numerator first. On in numerator, you apply the rule, base are same, you just add the power, it will become 2 raised to the power 6. And here you 2 raised to the power 4. When you take this for the numerator, as per rule number 2, you just subtract the power because bases are same.
Sir, one thing I want to say.
Yes, beta.
Sir, we can simplify the power also.
You have to simplify, no power, not simplify the power. Just
Okay, sir.
use the rule. Okay, if the bases are same, just you have to rule, and if there is addition of powers and subtraction of power, this you have to do. Okay. So please solve it and send it to me. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in book, sir, in book, this question is there.
In this book, you can see this.
Sir, on which page?
You can see on page number 143. There's an example on page 143. Okay.
Okay, sir, I got. Okay, sir.
So how you will do it? Just I'm telling you in this slide. When you got 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4, you will see here this part, see this part and this part. How will you do it? See here, 2 into 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 4. Okay, and this part is there into 3 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 2. Okay, so add this part. It will be 6, and when you take it this 4 in the numerator, power will be subtracted as per rule. And similarly, this is into and 3, 4 minus 2. And when you solve it, you will get 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. Again, apply the rule, bases are different and parts are same, then it will be 6 raised to the power 2. Okay, so when you simplify it, your answer comes to be 36. Is it clear to everyone?
No, sir.
Beta, this is very easy. What have been telling me? See
Sir, I
here.
was disconnected.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not understanding.
The whole meeting I was disconnected. Now I'm joined.
Actually, due to some weather problem, maybe there is a chance of bad connectivity. See, once again, what we are doing, we are just, this is our question, we simplify, this is our 9 as given in the question. So we convert 9 into 3 to the power 2. And here it is given as 4
Sir,
to the power.
sir, solve in another page.
Okay. See once again. Okay, so Again, again I am telling to you, 2 is there, 3 to the power is there, okay, and 2 to the power 5 is there in the given question. In the denominator, this is 9, this is 4 to the power 2. We are writing the same as numerator, okay, because we cannot do any change here right now. This 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2, is it clear? And this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 4. And there is a power.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, when we will do 3 into 6, sir, it will be 6. No?
3 into 2, beta. Power
No,
means,
if we will
Yes, sir.
multiply 3
Power-
2 times, so 9
power
will
means,
there.
yes, very good. Power means you have to multiply that number of times as power is given to you. Okay. Then apply rule. See here, this is same, this thing is same, base is same, power is different. So when bases are same and powers are different, so just add it. So it will be 2, 1 plus 5, and here you take it, see here 3, this part, this and this. Base are same, powers are different. Okay, so you will write 3, 4 minus 2 as per rule number this. Okay, bases are same, powers are different, so subtracted the powers. So here, but here this is part is left. Okay, so you can write it also 2 raised to the power 4. 2, 6 into 3 raised to the power 2, and 2 is this. So see here this part, then this is again in the form of rule number 2. So you can write down like 2, 6 minus 4 into 3 power 2. So when you simplify it, beta, you will get 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. Okay, what is the value of 2 to the power 2? It is 4. And what is the value of 3 power 2 is 9.
Okay, sir.
When you simplify it, you will get 3 and the 6. Okay, is it clear? Is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
easy.
It's very easy, just concentration is required here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do question number 3 on exercise 8.2, second part.
Okay, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir is not speaking.
Okay. Question is 5 raised to the power 8 divided by 5 raised to the 5 into 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, do it using solve it. Okay,
Question 3 part 2 or question second part 2?
beta, question third part second.
Okay.
Just write down complete steps. Okay. It is very easy. Just what we have to do. Okay, here see base are same. Power is different. Okay, so it will be again 8. Okay. And when you solve it, you will get answer. This is cancelled out. Okay.
Sir, 5 minus 8. Minus 8.
Okay. When you simplify it, you can
Your voice is breaking.
5, 8 minus 8. Okay. And 5 power 0. Okay. So any number having a 0 power, it means that there is 1. Okay.
5, 3, 8. 5, 8 होगा.
Okay. Is it
हो
clear?
जाएगा. 5. Yes, sir. 3,
Okay.
5. 8 minus 8 is equals to 5. Marked by 0 is equals to 1. Sir, I got the answer.
You got the answer? Okay, send it to
Yes,
me.
sir.
Sir, whenever like same is there,
Yes.
the power is same, so we will minus.
In division, beta, this is very important, good question. Okay, in division, just keep in mind, in division, when bases are same, okay, you have to subtract, and in multiplication, when bases are same, you have to add the parts. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. This is division, so we will minus.
Okay, we are seeing, see, we are here, this division case. So
Sir,
we
if
are
it would be
subtracting.
5 power 8 multiplied by 5 power 8, it would be 5 power 16.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, see here, we are, this is the case of multiplication. Huh? So we are adding it. So power will become 2 raised to power 60 here. Okay. Just send it to me. Yes, anyone solve it?
Yes, sir. Which question? It is not visible.
This is question number 3, beta. It is written here. It's question number 3.
Sir, I've done. Sir, I've sent.
Send it. Send me.
Sir, done. I've
Okay.
sent.
Okay. So if anyone completed, now try question number 4, part 1. Question number 4, part 1 on page
Question
147.
number 4 का part 1 है ना?
Yes, do it and
Part
send it to me.
2 is to power 7 by 2 by 3 bracket into 2 power 5. So 2, 7 minus 3 equals to minus 3. 2 is to power 4 into 2 to the power 5.
Yes. It's very easy. Just apply rule number as is a division. Okay, just subtract the parts, and when you subtract,
Yes, sir, I am doing that only.
okay, then when you subtract it, first open the bracket. Use here also the Goldman's rule.
Okay, sir. Two is to power 2 is multiplied 4 to the 8.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, send it to me.
Power
Okay.
is to 4, 7. Check कर लो आंसर. 4,